Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to disable pop-up blocker in Firefox. Friends, sometimes due to requirement of some websites, we need to disable pop-up blocker in Firefox. So to do this, we simply need to open Firefox browser. In Firefox browser, we need to click on the three lines. Now here we need to click on settings. In settings, we need to click on privacy and security. Now scroll it little down. Now here you will find block pop-up windows. It is selected by default. Now you can simply unselect it, or if you want to add exceptions for some websites, like if you want that pop-up will be disabled for one or two websites, then you can add exception by clicking on exceptions. Now here you need to add websites on which you want to allow pop-up windows. After entering the URL, click on allow. Now like this you can add multiple websites, and after adding the websites you need to click on save changes. Now like this you can add exceptions for some websites to allow pop-up windows. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.